friends, I hope all are doing very well. So let's see the view of the Bharat Mandapam, which is built in 2020, where G20 held in 2023 in Pragati Maidan Bharat Mandapam. So before that G20 summit, which was held in 2022 in Bali, Indonesia, and last year in 2024 G20 held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. So let's see the view of the Bharat Mandapam, our country, which was which were like G20 held in 2023 in Pragati Maidan Bharat Mandapam, and the logo of the Bharat Mandapam in G20 summit, which was a Vasudev Kutumbakam, means one world, one family and one future. So this is the view of Bharat Mandapam. I am going to explain about the loss of information regarding the Bharat Mandapam G20 summit 2023 Rio de Janeiro summit in 2024, and which was the symbol of this Bharat Mandapam in 2023 was also very unique, which was the statue of Nataraj, which was used and built and inaugurated during the Chola dynasty from Tamil Nadu. So I am going to explain in details about the Bharat Mandapam, and stay updated together with me and get a lot of information regarding the Bharat Mandapam and G20. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram, Har Har Mahadev.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So I am going exploring towards the Bharat Mandapam here, which is located in front of the Supreme Court of India on Tilak Marg. So even the Pragati Maidan metro station and Supreme Court metro station close from here because of this Bharat Mandapam, which is located in Pragati Maidan. So Bharat Mandapam is a convention center located in largest convention centers of India, whose design and architectures draws inspiration from 12th century Anubhav Mandapam. So the centers unveiled in 2023 by PM Narendra Modi at the time, and the G20 New Delhi summit occurred at this venue between 9 to 10 September in 2023. So it is a very proud moment and great moment for India at that time. So the site of Bharat Mandapam was Hall of Nation, comprising the Pragati Maidan project was designed by architecture Raj Rewal, which was inaugurated on 3 November in 1972 by then PM Indira Gandhi on the eve of the international trade fair called Asia 22. So the G20, formed in 1999, is a group of 20 of the world's largest economies that meet regularly to coordinate global policy on trade, health, climate and other issues like terrorist. So the first G20 summit was held in 2008 in Washington DC in USA, and with second G20 summit, which was held in London in 2009. So G20 2022 17th G20 summit, which was held in Bali, Indonesia before India in 2023. So Brazil had also hosted the G20 leader summits on November 18th and 19th in 2024 in Rio de Janeiro. So the G20 Johannesburg summit will be held also from November 2022 to 2023 in 2025 in South Africa, which will be the first G20 summit there. And also we know about that the African Union also added as a G20 summit, so it's become nowadays total G21, which is added in the year of 2023 in Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan, where G20 held. So this is a view, and I am feeling so awesome here. And even the World Book Fair also organized here nowadays, it is going on there. So right now I am just in front of the Bharat Mandapam entry gate. So let's see the view. So really it's a very unique, and this is a fountain waterfall, which is also built in very good design in front of the Bharat Mandapam, each and every around the side. So let's feel the sound, natural sound of the waterfalls fountain. So the theme of 2023 G20 summit in New Delhi was One Earth, One Family, One Future, which derived from Vasudev Kutumbakam, which drawn from ancient Sanskrit text of the Maha Upanishad Atharva Ved. So it was a very proud moment for us. And in this Bharat Mandapam, the statue of Nataraj in dancing style of Lord Shiva established in the Bharat Mandapam, which was first time used and built by the Chola dynasty from Tamil Nadu in Tamil text. So it is a very good place for me because in Tamil Nadu there is a lots of temples of the Nataraj temple which is built by the Chola rulers, which was founded by the King Vijayan in Tamil Nadu, because of the capital of the Chola Empire in Tamil Nadu was in the Thanjavur Kumbakonam, where there is a Brideshwarya temple and the Great Chola temple also still exists there. That is a site of the UNESCO. So I have to also go to visit some historical places and ancient monuments and temple in Tamil Nadu, such as the Arunachalam, temples of Mahabalipuram, temples of Kanchipuram. So I am feeling so awesome here. So let's see the view and explore together with me. So Bande Matram Sujalam Suplam Malayaj Sitalam Sasyamalam Matram Bande Matram Surbhajotsanam Pulkitiyaminim Pulkusumit Drumdal Sovinim Sukudam Bardam Matram Bande Matram Koti Koti कल नाद कराले कोटि कोटि भुजय धृत खर कर वाले के बोले माँ तुम्ही अबले बहुबल धारिणी नमामि तारिणी रिपुदलवारिणी मातरम वंदे मातरम तुम्ही विद्या तुम्ही धर्म तुम्ही हद्री तुम्ही मर्म त्वम ही प्राणा शरीरे बहुत तुम्ही माँ भक्ति तुम्ही माँ शक्ति तुम्हारे प्रतिमा गरी मंदिरे मंदिरे वंदे मातरम. So Bande Matram, which is a national song of India, which was adopted along with the national anthem Jana Gana Mana of India on 24 January in 1950. Then President Rajendra Prasad. And the Bande Matram, which is composed by the Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay
Chaturthi. Bharat Mandapam, gate number 6. I am right now at the gate number 6. So this is the entrance of the gate number 6. From this entrance, which is here, you can go inside where G20 summit held in 2023 in Pragati Maidan in Bharat Mandapam. So let's see the view of the Bharat Mandapam. Really, it's a very unique. So the slogan and motto of the Bharat Mandapam in G20 2023 is Raja Vasudev Kumbhakam. So let's see another together. Thank you so much.